Let's try to create Super Mario-like movement in Unity using this character controller asset. First, let's go to Climb and Slide, disable it since Super Mario doesn't have these features. Also, let's disable Dash, and we disable the crouching, and then let's start with the jump. Let's go to Jump, make sure to disable Wall Jump, Dash Jump, and Crouch Jump since we don't need these features. Also disable the Air Jump. Let's only keep the basic ground jump. In the global settings, set the snappy jump to enable and the jump cut also to enable and jump cut buffer to 2. This allows your character jump to look snappy. Also, when you left the space bar faster, you will fall faster and you can do short jumps. Now in the jump settings, in the ground jump, set the force to 14 and coyote time, ground buffering, input buffering. Super Mario doesn't have these features, but just keep them like they are since every game should have them. Now let's go to physics, set the gravity scale to 1.2, also the fall multiplier to 1.5 and the max fall velocity to 30 or 25 depending on your needs. And now let's go to movement since it's one of the important features in Super Mario Bros. Now in the walk and sprint, make the can sprint enable, keep it checked, and walk speed set it to 12 and the sprint speed set it to 13. The animation speed buffer, I set it here to 1.5 because my animation is slow, so I want the movement animation to look faster. Now Super Mario have acceleration and deceleration. It doesn't move instantly. As you can see here in the demo, I have short time to reach the maximum speed and another short time to reach 0 speed. So in Super Mario, I don't know exactly how much the values are, but 0.75 for the acceleration and deceleration works well. For the max workout slope, it doesn't matter since in Super Mario you don't have slopes. Now let's go to another important feature is the air control. In the airspeed modifier, keep it to 1 since in Super Mario you jump at the same speed when you walk. Now in the fall control and up control, so how much you can control your character in the air, Super Mario doesn't allow you to control your character in the air 100%. There is like this resistance. So let's keep it also to 0.75 for the fall control and the up control also to 0.5. And there you have it. You have now a character that can move like Super Mario Bros. And of course you can adjust it, the values, so you can make it more closer or just make your special movements.